This bird was waiting for her love, looking everywhere possible. For separation was far too long to behold in tears. Yet she hoped for their soul to be united once again. When he arrived, she ran towards him and started making love with him, play with joy and affection. It means the world to her, sense of protection and caring, flourishing in every part of the world. Every moment was counted in laughter and peace, an unconditioned feeling, heavenly shower within. Then comes the one we called true love kiss, with beauty in nature, a time of silence, where only heartbeats matters.
Throw off the rules like our shoes on